If you want to surprise someone special through a video or implement digital strategies in your social networks with very creative videos of your products, this application can help you with new ideas and visually enriched projects. In your App Store, look for Vita. It is an easy and simple video editor with all the resources you need. Once you install it, accept all the permissions it requires. On the home page, you will find the new project option. You can choose a video from your gallery or an empty video, which is predetermined by the application. You can select several or combine it with images. Once in the editor, you can add text, cut its duration, add effects, stickers, filters, adjust its speed, among many other options. When you finish the necessary adjustments that you think are convenient, you can click on the Export button, where you will be able to easily share it on social networks. If you want to create a video from a template, at the beginning you will find on the inside right side the icon corresponding to the templates. Click here and look for the most appropriate one according to your needs. When you choose it, click on it and click on Use Now. The application will ask you to add several videos needed to make it as you saw in the initial example. In this application, you can also speed up videos or make them in slow motion, add transitions, effects, select songs from your music library to enrich the videos, use text or animated fonts that you can customize to your liking.